Hi, Jerry.
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, nice to meet you.
You too.
Can you tell us why you are here and who you are?
Yeah, so my name is Jared Brick. I have a company called Brickhouse Media, and about a year ago we decided to really focus on blockchain because we feel like blockchain is this amazing leveler platform where anyone can play. And so we focus on thought leaders and people who have a really bold idea, but they don't have a clue how to market. And I found a lot of crypto people are very similar.
Yeah.
Really brilliant. They've got great ideas, but they can't tell their story.
Which means a lot of computer background.
A lot of computer jargon and words that people just go, yeah, cool.
Yeah, after
and then they fade out.
Yeah, they're like, okay, I know how to write a good product, but I need to market it?
Oh yeah, marketing. And
I need marketing.
To market.
I'm so bad.
It to someone. So I like to tell people the story of like Airbnb and Lyft. I used to work for Lyft, and just Tom's shoes, and people have amazing stories about their companies.
Yeah, sure.
And that's what grows companies.
Totally.
Not just technology. Technology is just one part of it.
Yeah, so there's so many developers, right? People already said, make a product is really hard. It's really hard.
It is.
But however, marketing it out is even harder. How can I do that? Okay, anyways. Our company's name is Boosto. So Boosto, B-O-O-S-T-O. So what does that? Boosto. Like yeah. So you have iPhone, right?
Yeah.
You have Android phone. So people download apps from iOS or people download apps from Google Play.
Okay.
So however, Google Play and iOS takes 30% of the fees. In-app purchase. So which means developers already built the apps, right? It's so hard to build apps, and then later everybody wants to be the top 10. There's 5 million of apps out there, and how can to be top 10? And people spend tons of marketing budgets to be the top 10. No matter if you're top 10 or not, you still have to cut that 30%, even 50% to the store, which doesn't really do anything to you, maybe. We have the search engine for all the influencers. Who are influencers? People have tons of followers on YouTube, Instagram.
Do you have a minimum? Like, what's a minimum level?
Yeah, definitely.
50,000 or
10K, maybe 10K, around 10K. Okay. But however, it really depends on vertical. For example, blockchain industry, 10K, that's a lot of followers already, right?
Yeah.
But 10K maybe for gaming, it's just started. But for crypto, that's a lot of influencers. Yeah, that's a big influencer.
And do you care what network they have influencers on? Is it Twitter, Facebook, Instagram?
Yeah. So actually, our product called Socialbook, Socialbook.io, we calculate all the APIs from YouTube and Instagram and tell everyone how much your ranking.
I love this.
And how do you worth per post, right? If somebody want to hire you, they should pay you $100 or $1 million, for example. Influencers have so many apps they have to maintain the content, manage, and also the data is not transparent. And also, if they're making money, they have to share the profit with the iOS. However, still iOS, but however, share with developer. But at the end of the day, developer doesn't really make much money. Also, influencers too. So, however, our system we provide developers to build dApps with. So they can build a dApp, for example, if they're building a dApp.
Will you explain a dApp just to my audience?
Decentralized apps, decentralized applications. For example, if you're a developer, you said, I want to
decentralized apps.
I want to build a dApp. So however, build a dApp by yourself maybe cost 1,000 lines of code. But with our framework, maybe just four lines. So you already have a dApp, get online. Plus, there's tons of influencers. So
you guys are building your own app network?
Yes.
That's cool.
Yes, but however, now it's all free. Developers can use our framework to develop dApps. And also influencer, for example, you develop a blockchain dApp, and I'm a blockchain influencer, and I like that. I use it, and then I share with my audience. So all the things happen over there. We share the revenue.
The app developer with the community, with the influencer, all to crescendo into marketing revenue. So and then will they put that back on the App Store, or they'll always keep it on your platform? So on our platform. So this is the real world. Developers will still build their app, the apps for the Apple, for the Google, right? Because a lot of people still using those. Right now, dApps is just, to be honest, dApps right now is just a substitute of the centralized apps. But maybe later more and more people will use this since there's more dApps will be out there. So however, how that works is you're the developer, I'm the influencer, I have fans over here. I use your dApp, so we share all the revenue, right? There's no middleman, no cut. Since we share the revenue and we don't have a cut, actually I can give back to my fans.
So for example, they have to spend $100 in that game to purchase that equipment. Now they can only spend, for example, like $80. They can purchase that.
Help them.
Plus, you can make more money. I can make some money. So everybody's better off.
This is cool.
This is what it's about.
I like Boosto. This is cool. So how do you feel like you're using media? Because media is so important. And I keep telling, we have a course called Break On Through, and it's a 6-week leadership course. And it's all around all these efficiency ways to use media. Like you and I are doing today, and with phones and cameras and websites and landing pages. So how do you feel like you're really using media the best right now that's working for you? Yeah,
definitely. I think the original content is really important. Definitely you want to build your reader, like your audience base, really like people like your content, they want to follow you. But this is just where it starts. However, you can leverage so many people just like you. They already have their audience base. So how we work is, today I interview you. I put it outside with a bunch of people, really, they are kind of in my network. And people see me as my content, kind of like free wholesale, and they grab the content and say, oh, this is so cool. They can either share or they can come to you and say, hey, let's do another interview. So this is really like push it out in different ways. So many layers, but however reach the massive audience right away.
That's cool.
So actually our company is in San Francisco. So it's a Series B venture-backed company. So we have revenue, but we are not profitable yet. So we have we have the Socialbook. Socialbook is a SaaS. So people go there, brands go there. We have over 100.
And that ranks the influencers?
It's not only ranking influencers, it's give all the influencers data, not the influencer data, influencers content data, and including the demographic to the brands. For example, people subscribe, so it's a subscribe model. Subscription. People subscribe to it, and they can check you out, say, okay, who's Jared followers?
Like incentivizing a clout score.
Similar. They pay for the memberships. They come over here to search the people they want to know and to see the demographic. And also, especially for brands, they can do social media listening. They can do competitor tracking. They can also find who will be the right influencers they can work directly with.
That's
three
cool.
purposes.
So what we were saying earlier is we should get more people in the Bay Area creating media. Everyone thinks of New York and LA as media centers, but like the Bay Area has got so much cool stuff going on.
So many nerds, so many geeks,
so many nerds,
so many cool products,
like entrepreneurs and founders and startups and businesses. It's just like it's not being documented enough. And that's one of the projects we did with Grip Media. Is like we put our media centers in co-working spaces. Because think about it, there might be 1,000 people at that co-working space, and they all have different ideas, and we want them generating way more media. So that's what Grip Media is about.
Sure. This is so important.
We just got to empower people, because it's not just the phone. We all have the phone or the camera. It's like just giving them like, okay, do it. Like give them some support to do it.
So definitely don't be shy to tell people about your products. Don't be shy to...
No one's going to steal it because they got their own shit going on.
Also they would just say, pick your brain, say, oh, something's wrong, I don't like this, Those are good feedbacks, right?
It is.
Treat it as like when people say negative about your product, just take it and... thank you, go back to fix it.
Exactly.
Right? And also
Instead of, like, have a tough skin.
That's right.
Don't take it so personal, it's not about you. They're trying to help you make your thing better. And if you get intimidated by that, that's your thing, but they're trying to help you make your thing better.
Exactly. And when people say something about cool stuff about your product, okay, find out who are they. Those are your targeting audience. And find out not just one Jared. If Jared like your stuff, find like 100 Jared, then find a million Jared.
1,000 true fans.
Just like him. That's the people you want to focus.
You want 1,000 people that would buy anything you would do tomorrow. Because those 1,000 people will tell 10 other people, and there's your base. There's your revenue.
Totally. So like, don't be shy. And okay, by the way, you guys can always find us. We do interviews for free. And we'll help you out. Hopefully, we can help people out.
Cool. No.
Okay, I'm free.
You're doing free. I typically do paid interviews with clients. And typically our client work is the founder story, the customer journey, the testimonial video, the product demo, landing page video where it's like, hi, welcome to our landing page. Here's what you get, your free landing page, lead magnet website. So that's what blockchain media is about. It's really about sharing your story around how you're using blockchain, but from the human side. Got it. How is it helping people? How is it helping the user? Why should I use it? Instead of like, oh, this does the XYZ tech thing. That's great. People make decisions based on emotions. and then once they make an emotional decision, they go back to their brain. They go, oh, I like you. I think I might do business with you. What is your product? So it's I like you first, and then I will do business with you second.
Yeah. Okay, this is cool. How can people find you?
So we're at blockchainmedia.biz and bhmedia.co.
Cool.
And where are you based? Where do people find you?
Yeah. We're here in Burlingame, and how people find us, you can either find Boosto.io, you can find Socialbook.io if you want to pay us. If you don't want to pay us, you can find cryptoinfluence.io.
And then they can pay for an influencer.
Yeah, you guys can pay them directly. So we don't take cut.
I love this. The influencer game is really important.
Give me a fist bump. Yeah. Cool. Yeah.
Do you know what I'm saying? I know what you're saying. Do you know what I'm saying? I know what you're saying.